Vámonos. A ver a Nemo. Por favor.
All ahead, 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Stand by to dive.
Diving station.
Main induction closed. Pressure in the boat.
Rescue ready to go.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
¿Dónde está Nemo? No manches, Alberto.
Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Ahí está el tiburoncín. Ahí está. Ahí está el tiburoncín.
Lost City, dead ahead, sir.
Ahí está el
Thanks.
azul.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event.
Mira una concha aquí abajo. Un pez.
Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 403.
Mind your distance, port and start.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat, but now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Come aboard, explorers! Where are you? Explore, explore, let's go explore the big blue world!
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Time to more explorers, it's time to
Nemo, wanna ride some tasty waves? Sure, squirt. Where? EAC, dude.
Dory, ahí está la Dory.
Whoa, like whoa. Let's go. Follow me to the EAC.
Captain, we're approaching the POC.
Hold her steady, take her into the car. All head standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin.
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
Nemo! Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken butt. See?
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son.
Oh, I can help. Oh, no.
It's Nemo!
Where?
I don't know where. That's why we're trying to find him.
By who?
My son, Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once.
No, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am Elisha, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You would want one of these balloons. Oh. That's it.
Secure all stations. System check.
Steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead, full.
He's squirting. What is he twinkling? I don't know. Race to there. Okay, go.
Dory? Dory!
Wait.
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer.
Ay, Alberto, ¿qué es eso?
It's me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Uh-oh. What's that? It looks like...
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloonish. Boing.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing. And I'm
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish! Dory, stop playing games! No, Dory, we're invited to a party. Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. I found you! I was so worried! We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo? Say something!
Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, girl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! When you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some veg. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo! Check out all the whales! Sidney Plankton? He says that whales eat krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale!
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna... yellow whale. Wait, stop. Goodbye. It just keeps swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? We swim, swim, swim. Bye.
Crikey!
Should I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
Welcome back, everyone. We are approaching our parking area. Very important when we park, please wait for the cast members to call you up the stairs. That way they make sure the stairs are connected.